Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dinosaur Deadpool. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, just like the intro said. I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and we are going to be coloring it as well. So I'm going to talk about the colors when that comes in, but right now, right here, and that's going to be the side of the dinosaur Deadpool's mouth. Circle right here, circle right here. For the finger, grabbing onto the Ding, 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 ding. It is coloring time right here. Color Village, color hangouts, coloration time. I'm gonna be using these right here, colored pencils. This is a red, a Rose Art brand colored pencil. Doesn't really matter about the brand, by the way. You get the dollar store ones. That's what this is essentially, real cheap stuff. And I'm gonna use the black Scholastic for there, and I'm gonna have a brown too. If you can't find a brown, you can always use like an orange of some kind. I could maybe like an orange like that. I don't need the brown, although I did find a brown one right here. Let me sharpen it though. So the brown is really gonna be for the belt. Ah, this is hard to sharpen. Wow, wow, that is really, really hard to sharpen. It just gets completely stuck in there. Ah, I cannot sharpen that. Okay, it's sharpened enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go after the belt first right here. So right here, I'm gonna just color it in flat. This one's real small. Hopefully yours is bigger. The idea is that you have the longer kind of the wood part of it is you're gonna have an easier time. Curve line here, line there. See kind of where the arm is. There's a bit of a black. light as I can, although it still kind of blends in, but I'm gonna make it lighter there because usually that area is like pink. Coloring is really fun. That's kind of why I like a lot of the tutorials that we're doing here, is because it's like you're creating your own coloring book. Sorry if I'm shaking again the camera so much, but also I'm a big dinosaur person, so I'm really big on that. If you ever come across dinos stuff, show it to me, like put me a link to it or something. I'm very big on dinosaurs. I'm a huge fan. That's why I was happy to draw this version of Deadpool. Going over here, coloring it in. I guess I could have done that quicker if it was like a flatter end on like the side there. If I sharpened it out, I probably could have done that a lot quicker, but this is relatively quick considering how much surface area there was. And even now I can kind of like push down on it here, and really you can go over it as much as you want and make it as dark as you want. As you do that, the more you go over it, the darker it gets. So just kind of keep that in mind. Alrighty, that is it. Let me know if you enjoyed that. You can make it darker here to show that it's a back or in the back there, but that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed that well enough. I really enjoyed it myself. See, I can go over here in the dark as well and make the darker a little bit darker just by going over it. Anyways, that is it. I will talk to you next time. Hopefully I'll see you soon. And yeah, stick around for the next video or do more videos. I post every single day, okay? So hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time. See you later, Easies.